Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tata Motors. One analyst maintains a buy on Tata Motors with a revised price target of Rs 1,188 on expectation of continued improvement in JLR, PV and CV business and reduce net automotive debt from current levels. It plans to separately list its CV and PV business in equity markets, which will offer individual investors the flexibility to play either on the CV or PV theme. The company has been consistently showing an improvement in all of its business segments. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 14.2 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 5.5 times its FY26 earnings estimates. Next, we cover Sunteck Realty. Our analyst retains positive view on Sunteck Realty and expect a 45% upside, owing to its strong growth outlook over the medium to long term. A recent correction of over 20% offer a buying opportunity. The company remains on track to achieve its pre-sale growth guidance of 20 to 25% year-on-year for FY25. While there is a deferment of launches in couple of projects to first half of FY25, business developments will remain in focus with the recent acquisition of the Bandstand project, the expected acquisition of the Nepean Sea Road, the addition of the Borivali project, and the IFC platform deals. It remains on track to increase its average rental income per annum to Rs 320 crore in FY28 from Rs 35 crore in FY24 at an overall capex of Rs 950 crores.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.